Today I'm going to show you an internal chatbot solution. It can help you answer your questions about your documents and videos and images in your cloud so that you save time. It works for SharePoint and OneDrive. It's like a tab in your Teams channel, but it can also be a private website. It can give you answers about Excels, just like this, but also a link to the Excel sheet. It can give you answers about your PDFs, just like this. It gives also a link to specific PDF page from where he took the info. Oh yeah, and it also gives a link to the root folder of the file. It also gives answers about your presentations, just like this. Also, giving us a link to the presentation page from where he took the info, just like with PDFs. And this is actually a graphic content from where he took the info. Good job. Now, if you're an engineer, it answers questions about technical drawings, just like this, from an image like this, or even something like this. If you have scanned documents, no worries, because it can also answer those, just like this, with again giving us a link to the page of the scanned document. Not only that, this internal chatbot can find you images, just like this, and it can do that by the file names of the images. Then it can also give you answers about your videos or your Teams meetings that's in your cloud. For example, like this, with even giving you a link to specific video timestamp second, where when you start a video,
this just takes regular SAE 30 wait.
It actually starts the video from that second. By the way, thanks for the Dan's workshop for making this cool industrial maintenance video. And as this is custom built solution, it does also a lot of other things. Like for example, it can add automatically to your meetings. So when you join a meeting and when you're talking with your colleagues, the chatbot will be already waiting for you. So you can talk with your chatbot while in a meeting with your colleagues without the need to look into files manually, just like this. And then you can also have it in your Outlook so that when you're writing your email to your colleague, you have your chatbot as a side panel where you can ask a question and then you can get an answer just like this without again leaving your Outlook window and searching in a file manually. Plus, you can insert a link to the file with just one click. How cool is that? And on top of all of that, it can upload files for you. You give it a file, for example, invoice in this example, you hit on upload just like this. Let's go take a look. And it's actually there. And it did it for us. Let's try another one. Let's upload a video and he does it again. And we even have a feedback loop so you can describe what went wrong and then AI can learn from these principles, just like a human. But the last and foremost is that this all is hosted on your Azure cloud. By that, it's private, secure, and safe, so that you don't have to worry about your documents. And the best part, you only pay for the usage, and there's no per user seat cost, like Copilot does. Which means, the bigger your team gets, the less expensive it gets. So please, make yourself a favor. Start saving time. Don't upload files manually. Let your private chatbot do the work. There's email below. There's booking link below. Do yourself a favor and start saving yourself some money. That's all from me. Take care.